next few minutes, I will be explaining you what machine translation is and how we applied machine translation to the Lynx project. Machine translation is an artificial intelligence powered language solution which enables to tackle challenges in the digital environment when it comes to languages. Some data for you as a background from a survey published by the Analytical Report. So 6 out of 10 Europeans don't manage well enough English as to hold a normal conversation. And also, as an example, just to have a little bit more background, 4 out of 10 Europeans never purchase anything on the internet if it's not in their local languages. So despite the fact that we talk about the European Union, we still have a lot of cultural and language differences between countries. And machine translation is a tool that can enable you to increase translation productivity when we talk about purely translation processes, help you enter new markets where we don't speak the language and we need to have access to documents, products, and so on and so forth. But also it enables to improve both internal when it comes to staff and external when it comes to customers, multilingual communication within companies. So a little bit more about machine translation in Lynx. This is an external service used directly from the most up-to-date cloud platform with neural machine translation technology and terminology capabilities, which also brings regular technological updates because this is a technology that constantly evolves. Enables to translate document text and annotation translations and is being used with specific use cases, contract, labor laws, renewable energies. But to have a little bit more detail about this, we develop machine translation specific systems within the contracts for use case 1 in the following language combinations: English to German and German to English. For use case 2, we developed custom machine translation systems within the labor law industry or segment within the following language combinations: English to Spanish, Spanish to English, German to Spanish, and Spanish to German. And also for use case 3, we develop energy-specific custom machine translation systems for the following language combinations: Dutch to English, English to Dutch, Dutch to German, and German to Dutch. This is some of the benefits of machine translation, which can be customized to the specific language combinations and also the industries, as we can see from the use cases of the Lynx project.
I will show you the APIs for machine translation that was provided for Lynx project. We provide 2 types of API. The first one is Synchronous API. This is for short text or NIF fragment translation for runtime scenarios when you need very fast translation. And the second one is mostly for background curation workflows when you can submit document and asynchronously get later the result. And this is for synchronous, when you just post and immediately get back a result. And for asynchronously, we have several methods. The first one is start document translation, when you can paste secret client ID and also specify parameters, which system and content of the file, and give also some options how to translate. Next one is method for retrieving document translation state. If a document is queuing for translation or is being currently translated or it is done. Once the document is done, next method can be used for document translation download. Once document translation is downloaded, you can use method to remove document translation and document source from our system. As well, there is method for getting current submitted document translation list, and also method for retrieving all available systems that is provided for Lynx project, get system list. Now I will show you how document will be translated and the source document and the target document. To better showcase, I will use our ~MT graphic user interface and show this upload process. So first, let's take a look at the source document. This is a document, sample document from geothermal energy pilot, and this is part of NIF document, and this is context or full content of the document. And there is one annotation made from another Lynx service, and answer is this text from the source document. Okay, let's upload to our portal. And start document translation. Once document is submitted, it is queued, and when it is translated, it will show this button for download. Yes, this one. And now I have got this response from Dutch to English direction, and I can upload again this document. This is the result of this document, and perform also German translation. And German translations will be added as well. English translations were added during the previous translation. So once this document is ready, I can already switch to the result. And this is the result of the translation process. This was a context, initial context in Dutch, and there is added two translations, one for English language and another for German language. And as well, this annotation has been translated both in English and in German. And the translation process was separate. The translated was only the context, and this annotation translation was extracted out from context translation and word alignment. This is very important because translating small chunks of texts can result in different translations that was done in contextual translation, because it can take also in account contexts and word phrases that are near to the translatable text.